Giga has been one of our early partners in the move towards digitalization. They have joined forces with us to ensure that the connectivity reaches every corner of the nation.
As a government, we are not able to go it alone. And since the coming in of Giga, we have been able to reach out to as many people, as many teachers, as many beneficiaries as we possibly can. The village connectivity project identified some villages, a few villages, but then Giga came in to say, I am going to come in and connect those underserved communities, those far to reach communities. And in that way, we are able to make a complete turnaround.
Having been a teacher myself and looking at what I've seen in the Giga classrooms, traditionally, I was only equipped with the textbooks and my knowledge. But here you're equipped with connectivity, which puts you into a global library of knowledge.
The Learning Passport is beautiful because we put the content there and it's very focused to exactly what the learner is expected to learn. So it makes the job of learning and finding the content so much easier for the child and the teacher.
My name is Ncaang. I am 12 years old. I'm going to Ncaang Primary School. I use internet to study on the Learning Passport, especially for Setswana and science subject. Sometimes I watch videos to understand things better. It also helped me do research for assignments and prepare for tests. It's much easier to learn with examples from the internet. Sometimes I stay after school to use the internet because we don't have it at home. I use it to do homework, read about careers I'm interested in, and sometimes help my siblings learn.
We are envisioning a future where now we will be seeing digital classrooms, where our learners will be able to access education, not only within the walls, the four walls of the classrooms. We want our learners to be able to access learning virtually from wherever they are.
Every student and every teacher should have a device, connectivity, content, capacity to use the internet to learn.